Good morning. Wake up.
Already morning outside?
Today is departure day.
Let's start preparing now.
I'll wake the children.
I'll check everything.
Good morning, Emily.
Is today Switzerland Day?
Yes, finally today.
I've waited forever.
Alex, wake up, buddy. 5 more minutes.
We're leaving today.
Wait, really today? Everybody get dressed.
I'm getting ready.
Let's check essentials.
Passports are important.
Bring your luggage.
Mine is ready.
Wow, the snow looks magical today.
The snowflakes look like tiny stars.
Stay close together, little explorers, please.
Welcome to beautiful snowy Switzerland today.
Thank you. This place feels wonderful already. Ooh, the air feels super cold.
That is real winter weather, sweetheart.
I hope your family enjoys Switzerland greatly.
Everybody looks cozy and happy outside. The houses look like frosted cupcakes.
That is such a sweet description, Alex.
Those snowy mountains are called the Alps. We are very excited for this adventure.
The hotel looks like a fairy house.
Welcome to your snowy holiday stay.
My fingers feel warm again now.
That smells absolutely delicious and comforting.
Your family suite faces the snowy mountains.
That sounds absolutely perfect for everyone.
This hotel feels soft and peaceful.
The snow looks deeper outside now.
I cannot find my other glove.
It is hiding beneath your blue scarf.
Oh, good, my hands stay warm.
Let us check everybody carefully first. Emily, your scarf looks perfectly wrapped today.
My scarf feels fluffy and comfortable now.
Your snow boots fit nicely today.
My boots make funny, crunchy sounds.
Everybody looks warm and ready outside.
Now we can enjoy the snowy adventure.
The snow feels soft like powder. Look, I made a tiny snowball.
This snowman needs a bigger belly.
Our snowman needs a funny carrot nose.
Now he looks cozy and friendly.
The little bird looks cold today.
See the snowflakes sparkling beside sunlight.
Everybody looks frozen and hungry now.
These noodles keep everyone warm.
The noodles smell warm and yummy. Can I have extra noodles, please? The soup feels warm inside me.
Hot noodles taste best during snowfall.
The ice feels slippery but exciting.
I will skate slowly beside you.
Whoa, my feet feel super wiggly.
Tiny, careful steps work much better.
I think I am learning already.
Ow, my knee really hurts.
This bandage will fix everything soon. Careful, buddy. Let me help you.
This restaurant smells warm and delicious.
Those tiny desserts look so pretty.
Swiss chocolate desserts are very famous.
Why are these potatoes crispy?
Those are called Swiss rosti potatoes.
I hope your family enjoys this meal.
The cheese stretches super far today.
That means the fondue tastes perfect.
Everything looks wonderful and comforting tonight.
What is that big melted cheese? That delicious dish is raclette.
This tastes creamy and sweet together.
The city looks like glowing stars tonight.
I want more snowy adventures tomorrow. This was a beautiful family memory.
Switzerland welcomed us very kindly today.
Time for warm blankets and sleepy dreams.
Good night, Switzerland.